Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to see incognito history on your iPhone using Google Chrome and also explain the truth behind it. So first, let's clear something up. When you use incognito mode in Google Chrome, your browsing history is not saved inside the browser. That means once you close your incognito tabs, you won't find them in Chrome history at all. So technically, there's no direct way to see incognito history on your iPhone. But there is a workaround you should know about. If you were signed into your Google account while browsing and activity tracking was turned on, some of your activity may still be saved. Here's how to check that. First, open Chrome or any browser and go to myactivity.google.com or just search for Google My Activity. Make sure you're signed into the same Google account you were using before. Once you're in, look for Web and App Activity. If this setting is enabled, you'll see a list of your searches and websites you visited, even if some of them were opened in incognito mode. Now, keep in mind, this only works if activity tracking was turned on beforehand. If it was off, then nothing is saved, and there's no way to recover that history. So to quickly recap, you can't see incognito history directly in Chrome, but you might find some activity through your Google account. And that's it. Now you know exactly how incognito mode works and what you can and can't see.